welcome back to our channel. If you didn't see the last video of Jalaynes' favourite go-to hairstyle, you can check that out by clicking the icon at the top of this video or in the description box below. My name is Rochelle and this is my second daughter, Gemini. You may have spotted her in the last video with her hair looking all crazy, so today we're going to be doing a quick and easy hairstyle for toddlers that will keep most of their hair out of their sight, out of their mind, so they won't be tempted to play in it. Look at her face. She does not like this at all. So I'm going to start off by prepping her hair with our water spritz bottle and some leave-in conditioner to soften her hair up. Her hair was washed 3 days ago, so I'm actually going to add a little extra of the leave-in conditioner. Now I'm going to try my best to comb through and detangle any stubborn sections of her hair and then finger comb the rest, because my baby, she does have a very sensitive scalp. I'm just going to part her hair down the middle and section off the first side and the back side and the back portion of her hair so that we can focus on the first side of her hair. Part the first section into 3 smaller sections and add an elastic band to each section. I decided to do twists instead of plaits because twists are a lot easier to take out when it's time to change her hairstyle. Amazing. So I'm just going to do the same thing on this second section and I'm going to speed it up because you've already seen what I did on the first section. Now that the first two sections of her hair is complete to the way that she and myself likes it, I'm going to cross the two top twists over and connect them to the back twists, leaving only the two side twists on each side. Now you may actually see that I had to add reinforcements because I actually did think that I would be able to twist the front twist around the second twists, but they wouldn't hold, so I actually decided to add elastic bands to it. To the back. My little one doesn't really play with the back of her hair, so I felt comfortable keeping the bun at the back, so I joined the two top twists into the bun. You'll see me do this shortly, and that will be the completed quick and easy look. My daughter absolutely loved it, and as you can see, she was feeling herself. Yes, girl. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this hairstyle as much as we do. Like, comment and subscribe for more content like this, and we will see you in the next video.